Nothing about this may be aesthetically pleasing, but listen, hear me out. I literally just meal prep for the first time ever in my life on yesterday. And when I say I am enjoying it, I am enjoying it. First of all, I woke up on yesterday and out of nowhere, my body was just craving water and wanting to work out. So listen, I started yesterday working out. And when I tell you I felt so amazing, you're probably wondering what all this is. That's right. That right there is overnight oats. That's going to be my breakfast. Right before that, you saw my snack. And right before that, you saw my lunch and my dinner. And then just for a little small snack throughout the day, I got these two different blends and mix them together to make me two little bottles for throughout the day. And this is what I ended up coming up with. I know I may be all over the place, you guys. Like I said, this is my first time ever doing something like this, but when I tell you I am more motivated than I have ever been. This is me literally trying out the overnight oats early in the morning before dropping the kids off. I'm literally parked in front of the daycare, y'all. I'm like, listen, let me dig into this before I go to the gym, because I got to make sure that I'm right. I got to make sure I'm not passing out and all that extra stuff, because when I tell you guys, listen, I haven't worked out in over 3 years. And my back is as big as a back that I have ever seen backed. That may not even make sense, but I got a big old back. And then I look so funny. Like I literally look like, I don't even know what to say I look like. Oh, I know what I look like. I look like an upside down pear. Like, look at Ethan. Well, I didn't even know he was doing that. But get your big cheese self in my video. But anyway, I look like an upside down pear. Like, the top of my body just all big and bulging. Don't be worried about my edge because that's a whole nother story for a different day. I done messed up. But anyway, yeah, I messed up with my hair. Yeah. But listen, upside down pear. My top just all big. And then my bottom just all small. Like, we got to fix that. And so this is literally me in the gym. And there's nobody in here right now but me. Okay? After a long day, after I did sessions with my clients, I got back to the house and I popped out that snack. Yes, believe it or not, that is ranch, but it's the fat-free ranch, and I ain't got that much of it. But at the end of the day, I'm going to try to squeeze out as much of it as I can because I want to get all the good stuff, okay? I'm going to even try to get a little cucumber or something and then the rest of that stuff out because I got to make sure I get it all. You know, over here, you're going to get real content. You're going to get raw content. I ain't got all the aesthetically pleasing stuff, the pretty background, this, that, and third. This is me. This is T. What you see is what you get. I ain't sugarcoat and I ain't hide nothing, okay? Transparent, raw, uncut. But I thank you so much for being a part of my channel, for following me and coming along with my journey. Look at that string hanging all over my chest, baby. I got to do better, but I'm going to do better. I am doing better. I done started working out. And I'm going to keep going. I can't quit this time. I got to be very, very consistent. Y'all, when I tell you, when I bit into this Saturday, I'm like, what have I been doing my entire life? Like, I should have been meal prepping when I was 2. Because this tastes so good. And you know the crazy part about it? I was able to make 24 meals for $60. Literally, 3 days. Breakfast, lunch, snack, dinner. Okay? I'm sorry, not 3 days, 6 days. Breakfast, lunch, snack, dinner. But I bought everything first. So I'm going to do 3 days. And then again, I do another 3 days. But I'm going to be able to get 24 meals out of everything I bought for 60 goddamn on dollars. You can't beat that for one bite. See me later.